I'm an old-fashioned kind of guy, and by that, I don't mean I have old-fashioned views like misogyny, racism, and opposing some folks from marrying. I mean, I like to drink old fashions. Don't get me wrong, I'll drink other stuff too, like beer, wine, cider, fireball, pina coladas, black Russians, sake, vodka, Jägermeister. In a pinch I'll drink gin, spice rum, Manhattan, port, muscat, and maybe even a cheeky tequila shot if the occasion calls for it. But at the end of the day, after my work's done and my kids are in bed and I have a rare moment to sit and ponder existence, I'm drinking an old fashioned. Here's how I do it. Firstly, the syrup. Oranges, cherries, cinnamon, star anise, sugar, water. Bring to the boil. Let steep for an hour. Strain, bitters, bottle and put in the fridge. Rocks, whiskey, little more whiskey, our syrup, CAD, CAM, CNC, sand, glue, oil, stainless steel sink strainer, cinnamon and star anise, relay torch, orange, slice it, 8 hours in the oven. What could be better than this? Cheers champ, good on you for watching.